everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I'm doing a VR for the Candy Girl here on YouTube. She is hosting a birthday challenge giveaway. Her birthday is in October and she's requesting, she has a different couple of options, but I've chosen the Halloween birthday card and ATC card. This is the card I created for her. I used my drippy goo punch here, some ghosty dies that I had in my stash, and I cut this out of a paper pad, and I have a stamp that says have a monsterlicious birthday. Made my flat mail. Up here I will be writing my note to her. I just use a spider stamp with a little spider, and I punched out this little bat also from a paper pad. On the inside I've created some little envelopes, and in this top one I've included some ghosties, just sharing those, so hopefully she can use some of them on her Halloween crafts. And last year I picked up the Tim Holtz bats, but I didn't get a chance to use them. I cut some out. These are very cool bats. They are all different shapes and sizes, and they're super cool. So I cut them all out, and I've just put them all in this bottom pocket for her. Very happy with that die set. There was a lot of dies and they cut really nicely. For the ATC card, I stamped out this little girl, and this is the stamp set that I used. I did some paper piercing, added a spider. I used my Copic markers for her hair, and then I added some stickles, and then I had this sticker that just matched the back of her head perfectly to have those little bat ears. Added some Tim Holtz words. I had this teeny tiny bat punch that I added some bats, a moon from a miscellaneous die set, and this little spooky kitty cat from a Creative Memories punch. And then I've included some information on the back for her, and that's going to go right here. And I'm also including a sample package of my DoubleClickConnect dewdrops right up on top for her. And that is my entry. I hope you enjoy my entry, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.